What's up guys, today let's check out how you can dual boot Bliss OS along with Windows 10. With that being said, if you end up liking this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's begin the show. So to start up, first open up your Windows Run and type in msinfo32, and once you open that, you'll be prompted with the dialog box, and right up there go to the BIOS mode and check whether your UEFI is enabled or not. So once your UEFI is enabled, you can go ahead and shrink up a partition, or you can also use a default partition if you have one. I'm shrinking up a partition from my hard disk, so just go to the disk management and select up the drive that you're gonna shrink up. So right up here I am choosing up the drive H, so right click on it and click on shrink volume, and you need to provide it some adequate space. So I've just thought to provide a 40 GB of space, so just enter up 40 GB or 40,000 MB. So once you're done, click on shrink, and that will create up an unallocated space. Now right click on it and click on simple new volume and create up the drive by simply formatting it. So that will create up a new volume. So once you're done, you'll now see a new drive that has been appeared in the Windows Explorer. Now once you're done with that, now go up to the Rufus and simply select up the device, and the ISO image I'll be providing up in the description box below, and go ahead and select up the ISO image and click on open, and whether your partition scheme is MBR or GPT, select between that, and once you're done, click on start, and that should write up the image onto your pen drive and create it a bootable drive. So once you're done with that, now reboot your system and open up the boot preferences. Once you're there, select up your pen drive. So I am gonna select it up via UEFI, so click on that. So once you click on that, you'll be booted up to the setup. So go ahead and click on Bliss OS installation. So this is the latest version, that's a 2020 version. It might take a while to load up the complete setup, so wait with patience. So once you're done with that, go ahead and select up the partition that we have created, and if you are using an empty partition, click on do not reformat, and go ahead and click on yes, and when prompted, click on yes to read and write, and that would write up the Bliss OS onto the partition. So once you're done with that, so it will ask whether you want to create an image, so click on yes and give out an MB of 2040 as default, and once done, you'll be prompted to run Bliss OS. Click on OK, and that should start up the Bliss OS on your next boot. So there you go, the Bliss OS. So right up now, if you open up the boot preferences, you have two options, whether to boot into Windows Manager or to the Bliss OS. You can select up any of them and boot up. Well, that's pretty much it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Hemant Raj signing out for now, and I'll catch you guys next time. Till then, peace out.